In this video, I'm going to look at the chances for a Santa Claus rally for 2021. I'm going to look at what the data shows for the SPY and the QQQ, so stay tuned. The analysis in this video is based on the analysis in my previous video, and there is a link on the screen and below this video if you want to learn out how to do exactly what I am demonstrating in this video. Let's start off with the SPY. So at the start of 2020, this is what the seasonal patterns would have predicted for the year based on the past 20 years worth of data. And superimposed on that chart, you can see what actually happened. Now, this is the price all the way up to the current day. And you see we've got some really good matches, in particular this fall in October and the rise again in November. Now, to make that easier to eyeball, I'm changing this, keeping the data exactly the same, but I'm detrending it using a linear regression, and you can see more clearly the tops and the bottoms in the data. And you can see we've got those matching parts of the data. Okay, let's focus in on the Christmas period. What is going to happen for the rest of this December? Okay, so we've already had a strong part of our seasonal gains. We've had a strong gain in particular in November and early December, disrupted by this year, the Omicron variant news. And we've had some falls based on that. So what would we expect typically towards the end of the year? Well, with the SPY, we can see we would still expect gains from this point. We would expect a flattening out, and somewhere around the middle of December, we would expect another rise into the end of the year. Okay, so that was this SPY. What about the QQQ? Let's have a look at the more tech-focused NASDAQ 100. So starting off again with 2021, now what do we have? What do we expect rather at the start of the year? Superimposed on that by what we actually had. You can see again we've got some really nice correlation there. And if I do the same as before and I detrend it, you can see these tops and these bottoms and where they have matched up quite nicely for this year. Okay, let's focus in on this November and December. Once again, we've had a lot of the gains that we would expect for this time of year. So one difference that we can see here between the QQQ and the SPY is that typically from the end of this month, the QQQ will tail off. We won't expect traditionally to get any strong gains into the end of the year, rather a more of a flattening. So there might be something extra according to the seasonal patterns for the QQQ, but it could be a quieter end of the year compared to the SPY. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe for more information about analysing the financial markets and actionable tips to improve your trading today. And for more information about the financial markets, please go to tradinginformed.com.